Hi, so today we're going to talk about the sigmoid activation function used in machine learning, specifically in artificial neural networks. The mathematical formula for the sigmoid activation function is quite straightforward. Any input x fed into this activation function will always output a value between 0 and 1. Okay, now I will show you guys how to code this sigmoid activation function using Python in Google Colab. So firstly, let's input some libraries. Now we can define the sigmoid activation function. So that's the sigmoid activation function using Python, and we can also visualize this. Now that I have ran out of cells, as you can see, this is the visualization of the sigmoid activation function. And as you can see, no matter what input the fed through the sigmoid activation function, the output is always going to be between the values of 0 and 1. In fact, let's change the parameters, these values over here. And again, as you can see, the output values are always going to be between 0 and 1. The sigmoid activation function is a very common activation function and extremely useful in the application of artificial neural networks. This is because, as stated before, for any input value x into the sigmoid activation function, it is always going to output a value between 0 and 1. This is extremely useful in neural networks, specifically prediction, since it allows systems and models to predict the probability or percentage of something as an output.